What's up there, sports car world? Car attractions here, and by goodness, we got some Bowman in. So you know how we do it on the channel. We don't talk about it. We just rip while we talking about it, I guess. But I am excited to get this. I've only opened one box this year of this. This was so hard to find, and I actually got it. I ordered it online. It just came in the mail today, so super stoked about it. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Maybe we can get something worth the while. I got two boxes here. We are going to rip both of these mega boxes. I got one more coming too, so it'll be 4 boxes this year. Couldn't find them on the shelf. I ordered all 4 boxes, literally. So we are going to rip through these. Right to left, first box here. 2020 Bowman Chrome. Really nice here. Easy to open. And we got a Casey Mize. Really nice card there. We got a Joe Ryan. First Bowman here. We got a backwards card. It's always good. So Joe Ryan, first Bowman there. Alright, what we got here? It's an auto Reese Hines. Super nice. I don't see no number on it, but it is nice. I don't know why my camera's having so much difficulty. Okay. Really nice card there. Stand that one up. We got Julio Rodriguez. Really nice card. And then Nick Lodolo. Really nice card there. By the way, we'll be sleeving all of these cards just because they're nice. Hard to find too. Alright, here we go. We got a first Bowman here. And it's a Tariq Scooble. Maybe if I said that right. Really nice. Then we got a Jaron Duran, first Bowman. Really nice there. Okay. We got Seth Brown, rookie favorite. Nice. Maybe. For some reason, I cannot sleeve good in front of this camera. Looking at it. Then we got Henderson here. Nice. Yeah. Christian Patchy. Alright, here we go. This. That's right. Alright, so let's get into the regular ones here. Got Kyle Lewis, rookie, nice. Matthew Boyd. We got another first Bowman here. Jasil De La Cruz. Casey Mize. Logan Davidson. Shane Baz. Tristan Casa. Vladimir Guerrero, nice. Alright. Nice Aaron Judge there. Tim Smith, Adam Hall, Alex Young, and Nick Solak for rookies. Alright. 2 more packs left of this first mega box here. Mookie Betts, George Springer. Got a first Bowman, Joe Ryan. Josh Jones, Lewis Gill, Forrest Whitney, Marcio DeBon, Michael Baez, and Travis Dimitri for rookies. So nice there. Alright, last pack. We'll rip that other box there. Or the pile, I should call it now. Alright. Junior Fernandez, Tony Gollison. Oh, it's a rookie there. Zolin. We got Yu Chang, rookie as well. Adam Hall. Christian again. Evan White. Christian Javier. Nice. We got a Jacob Amaya, first Bowman there. Super nice. That one over there. Alright, guys. Oh, we got Junior Fernandez. It's a rookie, too. I almost missed that one. Alright. Let's rip these ones first, always. Love special packs. Means I'm probably going to get something most time. Okay, maybe. There you go. Nova. Vaughn. That's really nice there. Miguel Amaya. So nice. Alright, that was the first pack there. Let's see, second pack here. Maybe. There we go. Alright, guys, here we go. It's the first Bowman, Cardenas. So nice. Another first Bowman, Xavier Edwards there. Covering the first Bowman symbol with my thumb, but there it is. Really nice. We got a Dustin May rookie card here. Really nice. And then we got an Aidman and Hayes are our last 2 of the pack. Well, maybe. I don't know why it's been so difficult to come in. So there are special packs there. Well, let's rip these regular packs. See if we can get any awesome. Hey, Lewis Robert. Very nice there. Austin Nola. Joe Adele. Mason Denneberg. Franklin Perez. We got Abram Toro, Aaron Chevelle, and Dustin May. for rookies. Super nice. Alright guys, 3 more packs left. Hope you guys enjoying the show. Got a Logan Allen rookie, Justin Dunn, Dylan Cease. Got a first Bowman, Gus Varland. In the paper. Nice. Well, we got another first Bowman here, and it's going to be a Glenn Allen Hill Jr. Let me save this real quick. Alright, so we got a Luis Garcia, nice. Colton Weckler. Julio Rodriguez. And we got Trent Grissom and Eduardo Escobar. Alright guys, 2 more names. If you guys have not subscribed to that channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am giving free 5 cards away. Got Nolan Arenado again, Kane, bleed 8, Bobby Witt Jr. first Bowman there. It's not a chrome or nothing card, a high-end card, but you know what? That is Bobby Witt Jr. and that is a rookie. That's very, very nice. Very nice card there. First Bowman on the Bobby Witt Jr. George Mateo, Hunter Greeny. Yeah. I can't say his first name. Everson. I don't know. I don't want to botch his name. Joey Votto, Castro, and Gleyber Torres. Let's keep that in there. Really nice. Alright guys, last pack here for the 2020 Bowman Chromes. Super excited to get these 2 boxes. I do got 1 more coming. I was hoping it was going to be here today too. It did not show up, so probably be here Monday with my football cards. So we got a Pete Alonso, nice. Start the pack off with Paul DeJong, Biggio, Nolan Jones, Whitney Wynn, Tyler Freeman, Logan Davidson, Buster Posey, and Nomar Mazara. So that's it, guys. That concludes our break today. I'm going to kind of recap over a couple cards here. We did get a first Bowman of a Bobby Witt Jr. Super nice card here. Too bad it wasn't autographed or in a chrome, but I'll take it. Then we got Reese Hines auto Bowman chrome here. It's actually a chrome card. It's super nice there. And then I got the Luis Robert. So super nice to have that. There's a lot of other good cards in here. To me, those are the 3 best ones that came out of there, so I will take it. Like I said, if you guys get any comments, go ahead and leave them in the box. Other than that, I hope you guys hit that subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the show. Stay tuned, and I'll keep ripping later.